Hello students, let us continue the session on revision of quadratic equation. This is the last segment of the chapter. Here we shall discuss the questions which are higher order thinking skill questions. First, we have a question to solve the equation. Let us solve this equation. 1 upon a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. This x variable I will consider towards one side, so the given equation is written as 1 divided by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. Now let me take the LCM. The LCM would be minus x minus a plus b plus x. This has to be written within brackets divided by the product x times of a plus b plus x, which is equal to a plus b upon ab. Further simplify, we will be getting x minus of a minus b minus x divided by x times of a plus b plus x, which is equal to a plus b by ab. Now you observe x and negative x, they get cancelled. You will be getting minus of a plus b divided by x times of a plus b plus x, which is equal to a plus b divided by ab. Here you observe the numerators a plus b will get cancelled and the equation will be x times of a plus b plus x equal to minus ab. Now let me simplify this. It is written as x square plus a plus b times x plus ab equal to 0. It is nothing but x plus a multiplied to x plus b. You need to recall we had learned this as a formula in class 8. X plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b times of x plus ab. Therefore, the value of x is negative a or negative b. Second question. A pole has to erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 17 meter in such a way that the differences of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Find the distance from two gates where the pole is to be erected. Let me draw a suitable diagram for that. A and B are the fixed gates. It's a circular path of diameter 17. So the length of AB is 17 here. Let me mention the length of AB, which is 17. I have considered point P to be a point on the boundary such that their distances from gate A and gate B are taken as x plus 7 and x respectively. If you observe properly, AP is card AB is the diameter. So we all have learned in our class 9th that a diameter subtends an angle 90 degree at the circumference. Since AB is diameter, angle APB will be 90 degree. Once the angle is 90 degree, I get a right-angled triangle. In this right-angled triangle, square on the hypotenuse is 17 square will be equal to sum of the squares on the remaining two sides, x square plus x plus 7 whole square. Let us simplify this further. We get x square plus x square added to 49, that added to 2 4s are 14, x equal to 289. 17 square is 289. So x square plus x square is 2 times of x square plus 14x minus 240 equal to 0. This equation has got multiple of 2 as each term. So let me divide each term by 2. So x square plus 7x minus 120 equal to 0 will be the equation. Now I need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, I would like to consider quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square, which is 49, minus 4ac is 4 times 1 into minus 120 divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. So x value becomes minus 7 plus or minus root of 49 plus 480 divided by 2. This 480 added to 49 will become 529. 529 is perfect square and the square root of 529 is 23. Therefore, we get minus 7 plus or minus 23 divided by 2. We get minus 30 upon 2 if you consider negative, or we get 23 minus 7, which is 16 positive by 2. So the value of x is 8 or minus 15 meters. Here we should not consider minus 15 because the distance can't be negative. So if x is 7, if x is 8, x plus 7 will be 8 plus 7, nothing but 15. So 8 meter and 15 meter are the distances where that particular pole has to be erected. The point P is the point where the pole has to be erected, which is 8 meter away or 15 meter away from point A and point B, or gate A and gate B respectively. Next, higher order thinking skill question. Find the value of k for which the distance between 9,2 and 3,5 is 10 units. There is something called as a distance formula which you are going to learn in the next chapters. However, I'll be just telling you, whenever there are 2 points, say point A having coordinate x1, y1 and point B which is having coordinate x2, y2, then the distance is given by root of the differences x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The differences in the respective coordinates has to be considered. Using this formula, the distance is found by root of 3 minus 9 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square equal to 10. If you square on both the side, the root will get cancelled. Let me expand this. It is minus 6 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square equal to 100. Let us further simplify. This is 36 plus k square plus 4 minus 4k equal to 100. We will be getting k square minus 4k minus 60 equal to 0. So this similar type of question we had solved, where this type of equation was there. We had considered positive 6 and negative 10, minus 10k plus 6k minus 60 equal to 0, k common k minus 10 plus 6 common k minus 10 equal to 0. The value is nothing but k minus 10 multiplied to k plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore k is 10 or negative 6. These are the values of k. Question number 3. A shopkeeper buys a number of books for rupees 1200. If he had bought 10 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost him rupees 20 less. How many books did he buy? Let the number of books he bought we will take it as x. According to the question, each book would have costed him 20 rupees less if the amount is if the number of books is 10 more for each book, isn't it? So 1200 by x will give the cost of each book minus 1200 by x plus 10. If 10 more books were purchased, the difference would have been 20. So this is the equation we need to simplify. To simplify this equation, what I do is I'll take 1200 as common. I'll be getting 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10 equal to 20. So 1200 will be x plus 10 minus x divided by x square plus 10x equal to 20. Here x and x will get cancelled. One of the 0 you can cancel to 600 times. So we will be getting 600 equal to x square plus 10x. So the equation obtained is x square plus 10x minus 600 equal to 0. If you look at the combination 30x and minus 20x, it would suit the sum and the product. So x plus 30 minus 20 common x plus 30 equal to 0. X value is positive 20 or negative 30. The number of books cannot be negative. Therefore, the value of x should be considered as 20. Next question. Question number 5. A journey of 192 km from a town A to town B takes 2 hours more by an ordinary passenger train than a superfast train. If the speed of the faster train is 16 km per hour more, find the speed of the faster and the passenger train. Speed of the passenger train, let me take it as x. Let speed of passenger train be x. So the speed of faster train will be x plus 16. Let me consider the time taken in both the cases. The time taken by passenger train, I'll take it as t passenger, which is the distance by the speed, and time taken by faster train is 192 divided by x plus 16. According to the question, the difference of the trains is 2 hours, so which implies 192 by x minus 192 by x plus 16 equal to 2. If you do cross multiplication by taking the common, I'll get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 16 equal to 2. So 192 is multiplied to x plus 16 minus x by x times of x plus 16, which is equal to 2. X and x get cancelled. We'll be getting the equation as x square plus 16x minus 192. Sorry, I have to multiply this 2. I'll be getting as x square plus 16x equal to 96. What is 192 divided by 2? It is 96. So the equation obtained is x square plus 16x minus 96 equal to 0. So I made a mistake here. It's not 96. 16 has to be multiplied into 16 equal to 0. So x square plus 16x minus 1536 equal to 0. I want you to solve this. You'll get the value as 32 or minus 48. This negative should not be considered. So positive 32 is the speed of passenger train and the speed of the faster train is 48. Next question. If the price of the book is reduced by rupees 5, a person can buy 5 more books for rupees 300. Find the original list price of the book. Let me consider the original list price as x. So the number of books for rupees 300 will be 300 upon x. So the reduced list price will be x minus 5. So the number of books bought will become 300 divided by x minus 5. Now the difference, according to the condition, 300 divided by x minus 5 minus 300 divided by x will be equal to 5. This has to be simplified. You try this, you will get the equation as x square minus 5x minus 300 equal to 0. So x value will get it as 20 or negative 15. We should neglect this negative 15. So 20 should be considered. So the original price, list price is 20. I want you to solve this on your own and get this equation. This question is a repetition. Question number 7. We had solved it in exemplar last exercise. If you remember, we had considered the width to be x. From here to here, here to here, the width was considered as x. So we we had got the equation like area of the park minus area of the pond equal to 1184. We got the equation as x square minus 45x plus 296 equal to 0. This was the equation we obtained, and the value of x was found to be 8 and 37. 37 is not possible, we have to consider 8. When 8 is considered, the length would become 50 minus 2 times, because from year to year x, so 2x, 2 into 8, it becomes 34 meter, and the breadth was 40 minus 2x, which is 24 meter. We had solved this. You can try again. This question is very important question. Question number 8. A car covers a distance of 2592 km with a uniform speed. The number of hours taken for the journey is one half the number representing the speed in km per hour. Find the time taken to cover, this is not ever, it is cover the distance. So let me consider the speed of car as x km per hour. Therefore, time will be half of the number representing the speed, so x by 2 hours. So we'll make use of this concept. Speed is distance by time taken, so the speed, which is x, will be equal to distance 2592 divided by the time taken is x by 2. On further simplification, we get x square as 2 multiplied to 2592, which is a root of 5184. So we get it as 72. Therefore, the time taken will be half of 72. We get it as 36 hours. Next question. We had solved this type of question earlier. Let me give a brief how to solve this. A speed of boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream and returns back at the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Let me consider the speed of stream to be x. So speed of boat upstream will be equal to 15 minus x. Always remember, upstream the speed decreases and the speed of boat downstream increases. It is 15 plus x. Therefore, distance divided by the speed will give the time 10 minus x plus 30 divided by 50 plus x will be equal to 4.5, because 4 hours 30 minutes, or the given equation can be written as 30 by 10 minus x plus 30 by 15 minus x. 15 plus x equal to 9 upon 2. This equation has to be simplified, and we'll find the value of x, and x value will get it as 5 km per hour. You can try this on your own. Now I shall give some more questions for you to solve. Question 10. A takes 6 days less than B. Do the work. If both A and B together, if they finish the work in 4 days, how many days will B take to finish the work? Here you need to form the equation. Let me give the answer. B will take 12 days to finish Hope you will try this. Next question is, in a class test, Ravina got total 30 marks in English and mathematics. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, then the product of their marks would have been 210. Find the individual marks obtained in 2 subjects. Here also you have to form the equation and then solve it. The marks obtained in these 2 subjects, they are 17 and 13. Or 18 and 12. You can copy this question and try this. 2 taps running together can fill a tank in 1 by 13 hours. If one tap takes 3 hours more than the other to fill, then how much each tap would take to fill the tank? Let me give the answer. Answer is 5 hours. Question 13 and question 12 are almost the same. In this case also, you'll get 2 values, and one of the value obtained is 5 minutes and another value obtained is 6 minutes. I want you to try this out. We had solved a question similar to this. A and B together can finish the work in 6 days. If A takes 5 days less than B to finish the work, in how many days B would alone require? Let me give you the answer. 15 days. This question number 15 is the last question for the quadratic equations. Ram takes 6 days less than Bhagat to finish a piece of work. If both together can finish the work in 4 days, in how many days Bhagat alone can finish the work? This is also a simple question. You can try this out. You'll get the answer as 12 days. That's all for this session. If any doubts are there, you can send a mail to the mail address kirankumar.rie@gmail.com. In the next session, we shall start with a new topic. Thank you.